Welcome to Canby Store. This is our first script release, and we're proud to announce our walk-in motel script. The installation of this script is like every other drag and drop it into your files and you're good to go. However, we do have some initial setup that's needed. First, you're going to want to open up TXadmin and in the console type create motels. Next, you are going to want to go into your server and into your F8 and type reset door locks like shown. This will create all of the door locks for the script. OX door lock. OX MySQL and OX lib are required. Now the setup is done. You're going to want to F8 quit and close your server and reopen it. Before you restart your server, you're going to want to go into the client folder inside of Canby Motels and open the public file. Near the top should be the command called reset door locks. You are going to want to select it all. Then hold Control and press the slash. This will disable the command. Then save the file and turn on your server. Now the fun begins. Let me show you how to use the script. You can now see all the doors are locked. We're going to use this motel as our example. When inside of a motel you own, you can do the command gar, or you can set it up for your server to be anything. If you want to change it to a different command, or if you want it to be on the Z wheel, the opportunities are endless. With this, I can move the car and rotate it. This is how I set up my garage for my motel. Now you can see instantly I have a garage here that only you and key holders can access. You can also see on your map that anyone who has access to the garage can now see the garage blip.
That's right, I'm confident. You would be too if you trained the likes of Clip Lee and Joe Thornton.
Now to the actual motel. If I do the command fern, I can open the furnishing menu. Similar to the garage, you can change it to be any command or add it to things like your Z wheel. To keep on top of immersion, your character does a little animation. Not only that, but we added a few fail-safes. You can fly too far away or you will be brought right back. Here you can see me moving a prop around and placing it down. The prices of props are able to be set by you. The tablet is one of the key parts of the script. In here you can buy upgrades, you can view your motel stats, you can add people to the motel and edit their permissions. That's not all though, you can also change your wall color, buy more motel time, and also release the motel. In the config, you can edit the amount that each motel costs separately. The price per day will reflect this. With math, we have made it so if you want to purchase more days for your motel, it will base its price off of the value of the motel. Once you buy more days to rent, it will dynamically update on the homepage to reflect the changes. Here is me going a bit more in-depth and furnishing the motel to my liking. As you can see, if I change the wall color of the motel, it will update all of the walls inside of the motel to correspond, including the placed ones. That's not all for the script. Here I'm going through and placing down 5 individual storage items from the menu. If you remember on the upgrades panel, it said that base was 3 storages. However, if upgraded, you get 5. So you can see me go to the first 3 placed storages and try to target them. Which I can, however, when I go to the 4th, I can target it because I don't have the upgrade. So after I purchase it, if I go out of the motel and back in, I can now target the 4th storage. So now you have seen everything to do with the motel. Let's go and try to buy another one. As you can see, you can't because you already own one. The quantity of motels you can own can be set up in the config. It's not just Vespucci that has these motels, let me show you. We have Gentry Manor. Also Vinewood. As well as Southside. Not to mention Route 68. And lastly, Paleto. Thank you for watching and hopefully this helped. If you have any questions relating to this script, make sure to send a message into the Discord or make a ticket.